So hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving another LeetCode problem, and the problem name is find smallest letter greater than target. So you are given an array of characters letters that is sorted in non-decreasing order and a character target. Now there are at least two different characters that are present in this array letters. Now we need to return the smallest character in letters that is lexicographically greater than this target. Now if such character does not exist, then we need to return the first character of this letters array. So what the question is saying that you are given a target character and you are given a array of characters that is called letters. Now in this letters we need to find what is the first character that is greater than this target, and we need to return that. And if there is no character that is greater than target, then we need to return the first character of the letters array. So let us see the example. So you can see the example one, the target is A, so we need to find the first character that is greater than this A. So we search, okay, first character is C and C is the greater than this particular target character A. So we will return C because it is sorted in non-decreasing order. So obviously the characters that are coming after it will be either same or greater than this C. So this will be returned in this particular example. Then the second example is target is C. So again we iterate. So C is the first character. Now C is not greater than C. C is equal to C. So we move on to the next character. So the next character is F. Now F is greater than C. So we will return F. So F is the first character that is greater than C. Why? Because it is sorted in non-decreasing order. So either the character will be same or will be greater than F towards its right. So we can't find any lesser character that is greater than this character C. Then we see the third example. The third example has target Z. Now we see the first character is X, so it is not greater than this Z. Next character is also X, it is not greater than this Z. Next character is Y, that is not greater than this Z. Next character is Y, that is not greater than the Z. And we have seen the entire array, there is no character that is greater than Z. So what we need to return? We need to return the first character of this letters array. So we will be returning X. So this is what the question is saying. So a pretty much easy problem. We can have two approaches. First is just directly iterate over the entire array and get the answer. So it is a linear search kind of thing, you can say. So n is the size of the letters array. We are just iterating on to the each and every character, and we are seeing if the current letter is greater than target or not. If it is greater than target, that means it is the first character that is greater than this target. So we will return this letters of I. Otherwise, after completing the iteration, we don't find any letter that is greater than the target, then we need to return the first character. So we will be returning the first character of letters of 0. So this is the linear search, but there can be one optimized or better solution as well. Now what is that solution? Now the question has said that it is in sorted order and we need to search something, right? We need to search the first character that is greater than the target. So sorted and search, it gives the idea of binary search. So we'll be applying binary search technique and we'll be using that. So the second solution is the binary search. So n is the size of the array. We have declared our low pointer to 0 and high pointer to n-1, the last character. So it is in sorted order. So we'll just take the boundary character as the last character for the search window. Now we will have our answer. So character answer. This answer will be nothing but the first character or first letter which is just greater than the target. Now how we can check if there is no answer? Now it is in sorted in non-decreasing order. That means either all characters are same or they are in increasing order, right? So if the last character is in itself less than or equal to target, that means there can be no character that can be greater than target, right? Because if the highest character is less than equal to target, that means there is no possible answer. That means there is no letter that can be greater than this target. So in that case we need to return the first character. So we are just returning letter of 0 if the last character is less than equal to target. Otherwise we are just applying our binary search. We are finding the mid and we are seeing if the letter of mid is greater than target. Yes, if it is greater than target, that means this character can be the first character which is greater than this target. Now we will move the window towards the left side because we found a character. We need to check whether we can find more smaller character which is greater than this target or not. So we will move our high pointer to mid -1. So we will store this answer, let answer equal to letters of mid, and then we will move our like high pointer to mid -1. And if we don't find any answer towards the left side of the window, then obviously we'll be returning this answer. Otherwise, if this is not the case, if the letter of mid is not greater than this target, that means we need to find in the right half. We need to find the characters in the right half, because till now there is every character that is less than or equal to target. So to find a higher character, we need to go towards the right. So we will shift our low pointer to mid +1, and this will keep on going until our low is less than equal to high, or they just don't cross each other, low and high pointer. So this will keep on going. In the end, whatever is the answer, we will return that. So this is the solution for this particular problem. So we see two approaches: linear search and binary search. So I hope you understand this problem and solution as well. So thank you for watching.